everyone, today I am going to show you how to add new YouTube channel comments automatically to Google Sheet. As you know, YouTube comments plays an important role to know the feedback from the audience. Sometimes you can even find a lot of new video suggestions for your channel directly from the comments, isn't it? That is why a lot of people want their comments to be automatically added in Google Sheet so that they can easily keep a tracking record and always create a content that is in demand. Well, while working with YouTube, it was quite difficult for me to manually copy the new comment updates from my YouTube video and then paste it to my Google Sheet. And that is why now I want to bring some automation in between these two applications to actually avoid this manual process, so that whenever there's a new comment added to my YouTube video, the new comment details will be automatically added to my Google Sheet. But there's an issue, and the issue is both YouTube and Google Sheet do not have any sort of direct integration between them, and that is why we are going to use integration software, that is Pabbly Connect. With the help of Pabbly Connect, we can actually transfer the data from YouTube to Google Sheet, and the best part here is we do not require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. So this is basically a YouTube video. And now what am I going to do is comment on this YouTube video, and then we are going to check at this Google Sheet if the comment has been updated here or not. So let me put on a new comment. This video is surely wonderful. Okay, so this is my comment. I'm going to comment it. Okay, the next thing that we are going to do is check our Google Sheet if the comment has been updated or not. Okay, so this is my Google Sheet, and you can see there's a new comment that I recently added, and the comment was, "This video is surely wonderful." So that comment has been updated in my Google Sheet, and all the data like the username has been updated, the comment time, date details have been updated here in my Google Sheet. So basically this is possible that whenever there's a new comment in a YouTube video, that comment will be automatically added in Google Sheet on real-time basis with the help of Pabbly Connect. And you can also do it. How? So let me show you. For that, you just have to search for pabbly.com in your browser first. Let me also do it. Okay, so after searching for pabbly.com, you can see this is the website of pabbly.com. The next thing that you have to do is click on products and then click on connect. After that, you just have to click on sign in. Okay, so since I have already signed into my account, this is the screen that is appearing in front of us. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Now scroll down and click on access now at connect. Okay, so after that what you'll see is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, which is this. Here what you have to do is click on create workflow. Here we have to name the workflow. So I'm going to name it as YouTube to Google Sheets. So I'm naming my workflow as YouTube to Google Sheet, and I will also attach the link of this workflow in the description box as well. So just in case you want to access this workflow, you can directly clone it into your account by signing it just for free. After that, click on create. Now, this is basically the trigger window, as you can see. And at this trigger window, firstly, what we are going to do is choose the trigger. So here we have to choose the application first. And first, since we want to integrate our YouTube to Pabbly Connect, we are going to select the application as YouTube. The next is trigger event. Okay, now you must be thinking, what am I talking about, this trigger window, trigger event and everything. So let me tell you. Basically, automation runs on 2 simple concepts, that is triggers and action. What is trigger? Trigger is when this happens, and action is do this. So connecting it with our use case today is whenever there's a new comment added in YouTube video, that comment will be automatically added in Google Sheet. And that is why what are we going to add at trigger event here is new comment. Now, in case you want more trigger events or action events of your choice, you can simply click add request integration, and you can request any sort of trigger event and action event of your choice or the specific one that you think that should be added here. Okay, so moving forward, Now simply you just have to click at connect with YouTube. Okay, again click on connect with YouTube. Next, you have to basically select the account in which you have your YouTube channel. So this is my account. I'm going to select my account. After that, I'm going to allow it. You can also allow it. Don't worry. Your data is 100% secure with Pabbly Connect. Now our authorization is successful. Okay. Now you can see the set of blanks in front of us. The first one is channel. Here we basically have to map the channel name. So let me show you. Okay, let me drop down. So there's only one channel in my account. So I'm selecting this channel. The name of the channel is Ashirai. Let me show you. So this is my channel and my name of the channel is Ashirai. That's why it's reflecting there. Next, what are we going to do is map the video. So here we basically have to select the video name. Let me drop down for you. So here you can see some of the name of the videos. Here are more than 5 videos and in my account I have many videos. That's why it is reflecting here. So let me move down. Okay, so here I'm going to select the video that is demo. You can select your video according to you. Every video that will be reflected here in this blank, that is video, is because your account is now connected with YouTube. That is Pabbly Connect is connected with YouTube and that is why every data will be reflected here. Now just simply select your video name and do one thing. Move to your Google Sheet and prepare a new Google Sheet, or instead you can select any Google Sheet. I am preparing a new Google Sheet, that is this one. Okay, so the name of my Google Sheet is demo video comments. Here what am I going to do is add 3 headers. That is, the first one is the username. Why? Because first detail that I want from the comment is the name of the person commenting. That is why I selected the first header as username. The second header is comment because now I want to see the comment of the person. So the next thing that I'm going to write is comment updated. Let me tell you why, because the next thing that I want to see is what are the date and time of the comment. That is why I actually, add the header as comment updated. Next thing, we'll move back to our Pabbly Connect account. Click on save and send the test request. After that, you can see the API response has been generated and everything that will be present in my YouTube channel in this particular video will be reflected here. So we have successfully completed our first step, that is we have integrated our YouTube to Pabbly Connect. Now we will move to our second step. For that, we just have to click on this plus button over here. Now this is our action window and at choose application, just select the application as Google Sheet because now we want to integrate our Pabbly Connect account to Google Sheet. Okay, at action event, what you have to select is add a new row because we want to add a new row. Okay, so I have selected add a new row. Next, click on connect with Google Sheets. Again, click on connect with Google Sheet. Here you basically have to select the account in which your Google Sheet is present. So this is my account. That is why I'm selecting this account. You can select your own account. Now I'm going to allow it. Okay, so our authorization is successful. So now you can see the set of blanks in front of us. Let us move to the first one. That is spreadsheet, and one sheet is already mentioned. This is basically one of my sheet that I have created. There are a number of sheets available there in my Google Sheet and it will be reflected here. Let me click on this option. Now these are some of the sheets actually mentioned. Let me show you some of the sheets here. So this is my Google Sheet account. Now here you can see some of the sheets that is available here and it is reflecting here at Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we have integrated our Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect and that is why all the data that will be present in a Google Sheet will now be reflected here at Pabbly Connect. Now just select the spreadsheet. So I basically want this spreadsheet. So I'm selecting this because now I want to see all the comment data in this spreadsheet. Next is sheet. Now here you have to mention the sheet number. I only have one sheet in my Google Sheet, that is this one, demo video comments. This is my spreadsheet. I only have one sheet. That is why I will select sheet number 1. If you have a number of sheets, then you can just select the number of sheets and move forward to the next one. Now we have the username. Now what is this username? This is basically the comment made. So I have actually one comment in my video. Let me show you. I actually have 2 comments. Yes, I have 2 comments. The comment made by Ashirai and the next one is Sujata. So now what we're going to do is move to our Pabbly Connect account and map the username. So let me map the username. So the username will be this. It will be reflected with display name. So this is the username I'm going to select. Next is the comment thing. Now here we basically have to select the comment. So what was the comment made by Ashi Rai? Let us see. It was a great video. So I'm going to map the comment here. Let me map the comment here. So this was basically the comment. I'm going to select it. Next we have to select the comment updated. Let us map the comment updated. So the comment updated was, let me check. Okay, so this is the comment updated details, the time and date the comment was made. I'm going to select it, map it. Next thing that I'm going to do is save and send the test request. You can see the API response has been generated and the data has been captured by Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect as well. Now, how about checking it in our Google Sheet? Okay, so as you can see, whichever the comment was made in our YouTube video, the comment is reflecting here. So basically, we have completed our integration process. Let me minimize this window and explain you what we did. Okay, so what we did first is we firstly connected our YouTube video account to our Pabbly Connect account, and then we connected our Pabbly Connect account to our Google Sheet. Now what will happen is whenever there's a new comment in a YouTube video, that comment will be automatically added in Google Sheet on real-time basis with the help of integration software Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two applications, but we can integrate n number of applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, then you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. Thank you.